now, guys, so as I said earlier, I was gonna give you guys a tour of this hotel. We're staying at this fantastic hotel in Buffalo called the Garden Salvador Hotel, the Grand Garden Salvador Hotel. I will link in the description below for you can check out. But we got upgraded to the Honeymoon suite. I want to show you what this room looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. Starting with as soon as you walk into the door, over this side here, a working blow dryer, iron. There's a little closet here where you can put your clothes to hang up. A little bit of a mirror here, which is pretty cool. But as you enter the room, you're instantly greeted with hardwood flooring. So if you look down, you can see these beautiful hardwood flooring, which is really nice. I hate carpet. For hotels specifically, if you have carpet, it smells, it collects all that dust from all the guests coming through. The hardwood flooring is a nice touch. And again, this is the Honeymoon suite, so this is just lavish. You also have the sofa, a little bit of a dining room or a little bit of a sitting area here. You have two sofas, a table. You have a big screen TV. This is almost a 55-inch screen TV on display. You have your cute little ice bucket, and then some glasses, a cabinet right here. You also have a coffee station. I see most hotels using the Keurig with the special Keurig cup already prepared, and a little bit of a lamp there. And then you also have a working station. So over here you have a lamp, phone, and then a seating area, which is pretty nice. Then you go over to the view. Can't really see it right now, but you get a nice garden view outside. And then you have really high ceiling in this room. Over here is the bed. So this is a nice touch. You have the lamps. It's a king size bed, which is really big. And you have a little bit of a seating area here before you go on the bed, which is pretty cool. But the best part of this room here is the bathroom. This is the jacuzzi. So here you have that nice little Italian style jacuzzi. It's green tub and you have mirrors on all around here. And then it has these cute little knobs here, the old fashioned contemporary knobs, pretty cool. Towels provided, which is nice. Also have the fan. And what's nice touch is that there's a time on the fan, and you have dimmable lights. So you can play around with that if you feel so. It also has reading lamps on the wall, which is pretty cool. Other cute area here is a Eisenhower bathroom vanity. So if you're staying here with your spouse, girlfriend, you have two sinks here that you can use or share, and you can have your own stuff on either side of the sink, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna bring you closer into the bathroom. So the bathroom is nice and big, really beautiful tiles in the bathroom, huge bathroom, nice space in the bathroom, and you have to take a look at the shower. This is a beautiful shower. It's pretty big. It's a stand-up shower, and it's all tiled. We're gonna check the pressure. That's one thing you always gotta make sure you have good pressure from the shower. I've stayed in a lot of hotels, and in most of these hotels, the pressure is pretty bad. And you can see the pressure is hitting me all the way here. All the way here, the pressure is hitting me. So that's good pressure, and you have good control of hot and cold. Overall, beautiful hotel, really good price, and nice to stay during the weekdays. Weekends get a little bit expensive, but this is the Honeymoon suite at this hotel. So hope you check it out, subscribe, like and share. We'll see you on the next video.